My name is Charlotte. I study product design at Bangor Uni. I'm in my third year. I don't really know what industry I'd like to go into. I definitely want to work in the design field. I'm currently at a company called Vixen CNC based in Bangor. Their whole thing, they machine parts. So they will get orders from different companies and they will produce masses of parts. So I started as a machine operator. So I was changing material and parts and stuff to make sure that it was working. And then I went into the quality control department and I was doing checks on the parts that the machines produce on their own to make sure that everything was correct and nothing had changed. And then from that, I went on to working with the quality control department and the dispatch department to ensure that the methods that are followed in dispatch are formalized. As part of our course, we create portfolios, and I sent mine out to a couple of companies, and Vixen came back to me and said that they were interested. And so I then followed up and asked, like, okay, cool. So you want me? They said yes. Like we discussed a little bit about what my role would be and things like that. I get the bus, so I was scared of missing the bus. I was scared it was gonna be late. Then I got off and I didn't really know where to go because the bus just kicks you out on the side of the road. I had to message Reg and be like, can you meet me outside? Yeah, it turned out good. Everyone was really nice, which I was scared of as well because I got a tour and there's like one other woman that works there. I was like, okay, there's a lot of men. It doesn't necessarily incorporate design work, but understanding the manufacturing processes and understanding what your design needs to do to be realistic is like really valuable experience. I got interviewed by Breda and he was so excited. He was like, I've seen your grades, I've seen your portfolio, tell me more about you. Tell me why you want to do product design. Tell me what is interesting to you about this. Tell me this, tell me that. And like being able to be familiar and actually like show that you kind of care about your student was the thing that like swayed it. Because on paper, both courses were very good, but like it was the personal kind of aspect that like made me choose this one. And the placement, doing 3 placements in 3 years is really, really valuable. And I'm already seeing how that's benefiting. And when I'm at uni and not on placement, I think it's harder to have like a good work-life balance because you always have uni work, so it just kind of spills into everything. But I have some really nice friends, and so like when we plan to do something, you do that, and then you can like work around it with. I like Bangor. I think it's quiet, which sometimes is a good thing, and sometimes it's like, come on guys, where's everyone? But you travel like 20 minutes and you're in the mountains, 20 minutes and you're on a beach, like 20 minutes and you're by a lake. It's just really nice, like surrounding, and it's walkable as well. Like you can get from Upper Bangor to Lower Bangor pretty easily.